Hi everyone, it's Miss Dow. I am so excited to get to talk to you. Isn't technology awesome? Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a little something on the continuous learning plan. So I just go to the website and scroll down through some of this stuff you guys have probably already looked at by now, hopefully. And you can click on any grade between preschool to 5th grade and you will be getting the same information for my department. That would be visual art. So we're going to scroll down through these subjects to your specials. Click here. Go down to the week you want to do. Today's would be through April 13th and to the 17th. So I'm going to click on that one. And you get this big document with lots of cool info from all your specials. So music has a lesson or activities, and physical education. And there's my department, visual art and library. So we're going to look right up here at my area of expertise. And today's lesson is I can make a still life. So some of you might remember doing still lifes for me. For some of you, it might be new. So when artists set up still objects to create art about, this is called a still life. Choose a group of toys to make art about. Set them up together and create your own art about what you see. Study the details and include them in your art. Now, if you want more instruction, you can actually click on that. And it's going to run you through some visuals. So you can go to that link if you want more information. Down here, it's going to show you some discussion prompts that you could do with someone in your home before you make the project and after you make the project. And hey, if you get done with that still life and you're thinking, I need more art in my life, right down here, you got another little cool link. This right here is going to take you to a choice board. And this has tons of ideas of different things you could do artistically. All kinds of things, from drawing landscapes to reading about art, doing research at projects. Okay. Hey, look, you can even write about your favorite day in art class. So all kinds of fun things are on this choice board too, so you might want to check that out. But I wanted to tell you that I am actually planning to do this lesson with you guys. And so far, I've gathered my toys I'm going to use. I'm actually borrowing them from my daughter, Rosemary. We've got a yellow bowl of blueberries. They're not real, so I'm not going to eat them. And I've got a pink and yellow teapot. I'm a little teapot. And a little turquoise teacup. These are some of my favorite colors right here. So I thought that would be fun to draw. And I'm just going to find a piece of scrap paper of some sort and some crayons. And I'm going to draw with my crayons. So that's my plan. And stay tuned because next week I'm going to post another video about the new lesson of the week. And I'm also going to have the revealing of my still life with my toys. So hopefully you're having fun thinking about what toys you might pick for your still life and how you're going to compose the arrangement. And then if you want, you can even post it on Seesaw so I can actually see what you're doing. All right, I love you guys. I hope you're being peaceful and I hope you're out there making some kind of art. Stay tuned.